Okay, so the bolt that held the seat in place has been removed. We've lifted the seat up lightly because we went ahead and we loosened the pivot point bolt, only just broke it loose. And now we're going to go ahead and install the TPC bracket. You'll notice that it's already been CNC'd. The fit is absolutely flawless, okay? Will fit perfectly. And we've done it this way to make sure that we have all the stability in the seat. It's really, really urgent. And then we're just going to go ahead and install that with the original bolt. Good enough. And then the two bolts that were included, the 8x30s, when this is dropped down in place, we're going to go ahead and line it up. And we're lined it. And we'll start the one on this side.